So people ask all the time, how do I know when to change out my Drainiac petroleum filter valve? We say it's pretty easy. We have a little field test kit here with a bag, a collapsible 1-gallon container, a stopwatch, a little nut tightener to put the Fernco fitting on the top, and we pre-filled a gallon of water here, and Pat's going to put it up. I have the stopwatch, and Pat's going to just turn it upside down here and slowly let the water out. If it takes any longer than 30 seconds for the water to drain out, it's time to change your filter valve. Right now we're at 7 seconds, and now the device is fully drained out inside. It's dripping out of the bottom at 12 seconds. But we will know when the filter valve has reached a malfunctioning stage or a stage close to malfunctioning when it takes 30 seconds or longer for that to drain out. If that's the case, then you need to change out the valve at that point in time.